100,000 ipon challenge. Ipon ka ng 834 pesos per sahod, you have 1,668 per month, and 20,016 pesos per year, and 100,080 pesos in 5 years. 1,042 pesos naman ang iniipon mo per sahod, you have 2,084 monthly, 25,008 yearly, and 100,032 pesos in 4 years. 1,389 pesos naman ang iniipon mo per sahod, you have 2,778 monthly, 33,336 yearly, and 100,008 pesos in 3 years. Kung 2,084 pesos naman ang iniipon mo per sahod, you have 4,168 per month, 50,016 pesos yearly, and 100,032 pesos in 2 years. Kung 4,167 pesos naman ang iniipon mo per sahod, you have 8,334 per month, and in 1 year, you have 100,008 pesos. Remember, ang pag-iipon ay kailangan ng disiplina at tamang mindset. That's all, and thank you so much for watching.